how to connect Ton Wallet to Hamster Kombat account. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to connect your Ton Wallet into your Hamster Kombat account. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is to open up the Hamster Kombat app, and then I'll just click on play. And then once you're here at the Hamster Kombat interface, what you want to do now is just go to airdrop, and then what you want to do is just connect your Ton wallet from here. So just click on that, and that says right here, connect your crypto wallet. So if you don't have a Ton wallet, you can create one in your Telegram account. So what you want to do is just connect your Ton wallet. So just click on that. And then from here, you have lots of vast options that you could choose in what wallet you can connect. Or you could just open a wallet in Telegram. So I'll just do that. I'll just open a wallet in Telegram. I'll just click on that. And then it will ask you to agree to the terms of services. So I'll just click on I agree and then just click on continue. Then after that, if you have an existing wallet, just click on add existing wallet. But if you don't have one, you can just click on start. And then there you go. It has now created you a wallet address. So it says right here, your space is ready. So let's back up. So just click on backup with email. And then after that, it will ask you for your email. So just input your email from there. And then once you're done inputting your email, it will ask you for a code. So just get that code from your email. And then once you're done inputting the code, you have now successfully made your wallet in Hamster Kombat. So just click on view Ton space right here. And then as you can see, Hamster Kombat will ask you to connect your Ton space wallet. So just click on connect wallet. And then there you go. Your wallet is now connected to Hamster Kombat. And then there you go. As you can see, when I check on the connect your Ton wallet over here, as you can see, it already has a check mark, which means that my wallet is already connected to Hamster Kombat. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to connect your Ton wallet in Hamster Kombat.